more than 90% businesses fail because they think they will just generate traffic, then they capture leads on their landing page, then they will do follow up, sales follow up, then they convert those clients to high paying clients, then they think they will retain those clients. No, this is not gonna work, because if you don't use these 5 tools, if you don't track your customers data, if your landing page don't have speed, if you don't use CRM, and if your communication is weak, if you don't do follow up on email, if you don't use those email flow up, and you are not sending VSL, video sale letters, and those offer guarantees, you're not gonna make some decent money in your business. And fifth is our tool. We are going to use ads library, ads transparency, where you can see your competitors, Google ads, Meta ads. So these are these 5 tools you must need in your business. Now first we have tracking. Now if you're running business, if you're running in any industry, real estate or automotive or insurance company, and if you are not tracking your data, if you are not tracking your CTR, CPM, and all those events, how much a person scroll your website, your landing page, where your customer is clicking, user journey, user flow, you're not gonna make some decent amount of money. So you must need GA4 tag manager. And one more thing, if you track your tracking on just basic Google Pixel and you attach your code to Google theme file editor, your website, you almost 60 to 40% lose your tracking. So you must need GA4. GA4 gives you user based personalized data. It's give you everything, how much the session per minute, session per seconds, and CPM, and all those, even add to cart, checkout pages, and how much time the user is spending on your websites. Now second we have is website speed. If your website takes more than 2 seconds to loads, of course 100% user will leave your website. User don't care how much your offer is, how much discount you are giving, user don't care. See, this is 2026, those viral memes, people use mobile phone to enjoy their time. So you must need a high speed website. Your website must, your landing page must loads in 2 seconds, 3 seconds. You can use many plugins. If your website is on WordPress, Shopify, you can use Accelerator and Lightspeed and Catch and many other tools. So next we have CRM. If you are not tracking your leads, if you are not using CRM to follow up or to engage with your audience, if you are not tracking how many leads, new and old, you get, and how many leads you have contacted, and you assign those leads to your sales team, and if you are not tracking those new leads, contacted, qualified, books, then how many leads you closed or lost, you are losing table money, you are losing money on front of the table. So next tool we have is communication. So email marketing is matter. Most people say that email marketing is that. No, it's not. If you spend $1 on email marketing, you almost generate 30 to 40%, 30 to $40. So it's a 30x ROAS, 30 to 40x. So email marketing works very well. I have been used email marketing for almost 80% of my clients. So email marketing works very best. So if you are selling your services, you can just give away your user the lead magnet, checklist, or any free things you can give your user, and then you can get their email in exchange of that stuff. So you can give them some workflow of email, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. Then you can nurture your audience, you can send those video sale letters and those offer, those guarantees, your client case studies, your testimonials, all that kind of stuff. So email marketing matters. You must use email marketing. There are so many tools you can use, MailChimp, Klaviyo, ActiveCampaign, and many other marketing tools. So, and the fifth we have is creative testing. You don't have to create so many creative, you don't have to play with images and videos. You can just find out what best creative your competitor is using at the best creatives working in the market right now. So these are two tools that one is Meta Ads Library and the other is we have Ads Transparency. Ad Transparency is for Google Ads and Ads Library is for Meta and LinkedIn. So you can go there, you can check what's creative are already working. If your competitor is running 40 ads, 50 ads, 100 ads, 200 ads, you can just go out there, select the dates. You can see past 4-month ads, 5-month ads, 6-month ads. So these are the tool you must use your business. You must use in your business. Business is not about you're saying yes, you just need traffic, then you will run some paid ads on Meta, Google and TikTok, and you will add some fancy form on the website and the user will contact you and then your sales team will call them and then you will make some money. No, this is not gonna happen. If you are doing this, you're almost losing almost 40-50% amount of money. You're losing your business. You must need to track all those your user activity. Your landing page speed must be loaded in 2 to 3 seconds, and you need CRM tools. You can use I would suggest you can use HubSpot, or also if your budget is great, you can even use ClickFunnels and GHL, also Zoho and many other CRM you can use. And also you need email marketing. Email marketing works very well. So so far we have scaled more than 200-300 businesses, and so far I have worked with more than 40 plus industries, and I am telling you, almost I have used email marketing for 80% of my clients. 80% email marketing works very well. If you're, let's say if you're closing, let's say if you get 100 leads a month and your sales team contact those leads and you are closing around 3 4 5 leads, so that's a clean 5%. But if you use email marketing, you send them your video sale letter, you send them the emails flow, you send them your recent client case studies, those offers and guarantees. So your conversion rate must be increased around 10 to 20%. So that's a clean more 5, 8, 10 clients more. So in the next video I'm gonna teach you how I build the complete funnel for one of my business who was based in United States, and almost that business revenue was $7 million, and they were getting around 3 to 4% ROS, and we have scaled their business to $29 million in 4 months. We scaled their business into $29 million in 4 months, and the ROS was around 6 to 6.5%.